drop in the ocean. Just a face in a crowd waiting to be seen. Big dreams set in motion. I wanna go where no one's ever been. I would climb the highest mountain. I would dive the deepest sea, just so I could make you feel what I feel. Aiming for the sky. Yeah, I really thought we'd make it. Got my head in the clouds, but I can see the world from up here. From up here, from up here. The world from up here. From up here, from up here. Can see the world from up here. Go ahead, call me crazy. I always see the good in everyone. Blue-eyed and naive, wow. Way up here, I can see the sun. I would climb the highest mountain. I would dive the deepest sea, just so I could make you feel what I feel. Aiming for the sky. Yeah, I really thought we'd make it. Got my head in the clouds, but I can see the world from up here. Yeah, I can see the world from up here. Yeah, I can see the world from up here. From up here, from up here. The world from up here. From up here, from up here. Can see the world from up here.
I need time, just a little more time. I need time. I need time, just a little more time. One more time. I need time, just a little more time. I need time. I need time, just a little more time. Next to you. Next to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Look, can I get up next to you? Up in the middle of the night texting you. Sky's looking clear for the night, set for two. Gotta mix a Henny with the Sprite, set the mood, set the mood, set the mood. Yeah, you're nice. You can have my heart, just name the price. Trying to get a grip, you became my vice. Need a piece of your love if you save the slice. Okay, should come around my way. I've been trying to make you bae. That's just something I should say. I'm like, okay, should come around my way. I've been trying to make you bae. That's just something I should say. And I'm like, I need time, just a little more time. I need time. I need time, just a little more time. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you.
kudus nga ay kauda asyuti kauda nga aba wasidaya mama ay nga dai watishki nga nuane kuda kudus nga ay kauda asyuti kauda nga aba wasidaya mama ay nga dai watishki nga nuane kuda kudus nga ay kauda asyuti kauda nga aba wasidaya mama ay nga dai watishki nga nuane kuda kudus nga ay kauda asyuti kauda nga aba wasidaya mama ay nga dai watishki nga Umbéle
time chill on my own. Just wanna do me, just wanna dose. Just wanna live and see how it goes. And the goals just keep on going, yeah. This life we live is a roll. When there's love in the rave, you know. When there's love in the rave, you know. All inside you, all in your soul. Soul, 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 soul. You know when the calling's calling you, when the calling's calling more. You know when the calling's calling you, it's calling, calling more. You know when the calling's calling more. You know when the calling's calling. It's calling, calling more. And it keeps on calling. Yeah, it's calling, calling more. And it feels like I'm falling. Do you want it or you need it? Is it part of your soul like breathing? Is it something mad you're achieving? Is it all for a petty little evening? Do you want it or you need it? Is it part of your soul like breathing? Is it something mad you're achieving? Boss bitch energy, yeah, for the evening. Evening, mad, evening. Come on now, boss bitch energy, yeah, for the evening. Sweet, evening, evening. You know when the calling's calling more. And it's calling, calling. And it keeps on calling. So it's calling, calling. You know when the calling's calling more. More, more. Calling's calling. Calling's calling. You know when the calling's calling more. You know when the calling's calling. And it's calling, calling more. And it keeps on calling. Yeah, it's calling, calling more. More, more. And it feels like I'm falling. And it feels like I'm falling. You know when the calling's calling more. And it feels like I'm falling. Do you want it or you need it? Is it part of your soul like breathing? Is it something mad you're achieving? Is it all for a petty little evening? Do you want it or you need it? Is it part of your soul like breathing? Is it something mad you're achieving? Boss bitch energy, yeah, for the evening.